Hi everybody, how y'all doing today? I got this a great little article I'm reading about Microsoft plans a big Windows 10 UI refresh in 2021. The refresh name is Sun Valley. Yes, Microsoft wants to reinvigorate the Windows 10 user interface next year, which will be this year in late of 2021. Alrighty. So, what we need to know, a big refresh is on the cause of Windows 10 in 2021. The project code name is Sun Valley, and improvement to the File Explorer, Start, and Tablet mode are expected. Microsoft is planning a major OS update for Windows 10 in 2021. The source say will brings with a significant design refresh to the Windows UI. I am told that Microsoft is planning the update. Two, many top level users interfaces such as the Start menu, Action Center, and even the File Explorer with consistent modern designs better to animate and new features. Alrighty, so enough reading that little article, that little paragraph right there. Microsoft wants to go ahead on and give the File Explorer, the Start menu, and on their tablets, the Action Centers, a whole different interface look to the users of Windows 10. They want the users to be more refreshed and more excited to have Windows, to be using Windows 10, and to be thankful that we have an operating system that we could go ahead on and live to enjoy as years go by. Now, looking back at it, this is more like saying we have an Apple computer because Apple does that. They go ahead on and add refreshes to certain structures of their system, such as the start button, the look of certain icons, etc. You get this basically updates throughout if you have an iPhone or if you have an Apple computer, etc. So I guess Windows 10 is following the footsteps of Apple. So, Windows 10 has remained much of the same these last few years, which to me, I don't care. I like it. As long as it works, it runs my programs good. That's all that Windows needs to do. Can the operating system run the latest programs that is coming out and continue to run those programs as years go by? That's the thing I mostly care about. How they want to go ahead and refresh it to give it a new look. Who cares? But the thing is, every time Microsoft sends an update out of they updating the look of something or they adding a patch file into something, it normally go ahead on and crank down your operating system. I know a lot of us had that experience in the past where they rolled down an update and the update wasn't compatible, and then you had to go ahead and reinstall it and refresh it. So, will this update be what we're expecting for, or will this update just be a bust? Now, what can we expect for tablet users? You're gonna go ahead on that. See, they're gonna go ahead on and do fix the emojis, give the keyboard a refresh look. Um, Sources also say to expect a wider adoption of WinUI through the Windows Shell and the in-the-box apps, which should provide subtle yet improved design changes, such as going into the Windows dark theme, etc. Um, Microsoft isn't introducing a new design language with Sun Valley yet. It's simply refreshing and refocusing the current one on desktops and trying to apply more consistently throughout the OS, a big feature for the legacy Windows desktop when it is to be released. The importance to stress that Microsoft can cut and delay these plans at any time between now and when the updates ship next year. It's likely that some of these plans won't make it to the final product, as that just the nature of Windows OS development and the reasons why Microsoft doesn't announce these plans ahead of time. But these are the things Microsoft wants to deliver to the Windows 10 customers next year. Microsoft is hoping to have most of its work done by the end of the Cobalt development semester, which wraps up in June 2021. Yes. So hopefully they go ahead and get all the software bugs, kinks. They got the design layout, everything ready to go. So by the end of June, they can go ahead on and start running the tests. Then you got June, July, August. By late August, October, then we could go ahead on and see a refresh in the update system. Now, if Microsoft is able to pull off this plan with Sun Valley, it will be the biggest Windows 10 UI refresh we have seen so far, coming after 3 long years of Windows sitting on the back burner. Panos Panay wants people to go from needing Windows to loving Windows. Just like I said, we don't need Windows. We can go ahead and use any other operating system out there. We just want to enjoy an operating system that can go ahead and do what the operating system is supposed to do, is run our programs at a high efficient level. Whether you're a gamer, whether you are a photographer, whether you are a business person, whether you are opening up your business, you need to run your business software to maintain your business on a effective level and to be at that high production point as years go by. Whether you're using it for college, whether you're using it for homeschooling, we just want to know is Windows 10 is going to stick around as years go by. We don't want to sit down here and say, oh, Windows 10 is not going to be updated, so here comes Windows 11. And then yada, yada, yada. Y'all went through so many softwares from Windows XP to Windows 7, Windows 8. And then it's to the point that we getting sick and tired of going to the stores, re-updating. Oh, we gotta go buy this operating system, $189.99 or $200. We could just go ahead on there and save some money, burn into a flash drive, but still you gotta buy your product code key. $25, $30 for a product code key. It's to the point that we're getting tired of wasting money on stuff that we don't need to spend money on. We want to save our money. We want something that's going to last for years on out. And this is one thing Windows 10 needs to understand. Y'all went through so many operating systems from XP all the way down to Windows 10. To the developer team of Windows, is this set of Microsoft? Is Windows 10 is going to stick around as years go down the line? I mean years, I mean from decades to millenniums, etc. Is Windows 10 is going to be around in our future as we get older, to our grandkids, to their grandkids, to the next generation? Are we going to go ahead on and enjoy this operating system with Sun Valley and etc. UI updates that y'all throw at it? You could come out with Sun Valley, and then you could come out with Mountain Peak or Iceland, whatever refresh UI y'all want to throw at it. We want to know is Windows 10 is going to be around for the long haul. Alrighty, to my subscribers and my viewers, thank y'all for watching. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I love y'all to death. I'm going to have more content coming your way. Peace.